Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here finishing up the mortar application to the stone foundation walls down here in the basement of the house in Prairie Village. It's been a little bit of a fight with some of the walls just due to the excessive rainfall we've been getting out here over the past week. But all the walls are now mortared. We're just waiting for everything to fully dry so that we can apply our white waterproofing paint to the walls. As of now, we are looking to get the painting taken care of tomorrow. So we should be able to have this project, if not all the way finished by tomorrow afternoon, then very early on Monday. But everything looks great down here. These walls really weren't in massive disrepair. If you've checked any of our previous stone foundation renovation projects, either on our YouTube or Facebook channels, you've seen a lot of these stone foundations are in very rough shape. This one really was fairly stable, but we still were able to get a lot of loose mortar and debris off of the walls before we started with the mortar. But yeah, everything is working good right now. We're in the process of getting everything finished up in the closet area over there. We got to work around that shelving. But yeah, everything is coming right along. Basement looks great. It's going to look even better once that white paint has been applied to the walls. We're also going to do a coat over the cinder blocks as well in here as well. So everything should really look amazing once everything is done and painted, hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. And don't forget, you can always check us out at our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.